No clicks, nothing on the dash whatsoever. So when you get in the car, nothing works. Can't even move the seat. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. So this is a 2006 TSX that died while driving and hasn't been able to crank or start up since then. Right off the bat, looking at the battery terminals, look at how loose. You don't want your battery terminal to be this loose. I'll tell you that much. The new fuse came in the mail, and this is what a brand new battery fuse should look like. This is what a used battery fuse should look like. It should not be melted whatsoever. But let's go ahead and swap this out, throw it on the car, and see where to go from there. So obviously with the negative terminal disconnected, we are going to pop the fuse box, which is right here. There's a couple clips. Here's 2 of them and the other 2. So the battery fuse is going to be right there. I had already removed it. Here is the brand new one. We're going to go ahead and add our 2 little screws. That could have ended pretty badly. Okay, let's put the last screw in. Just like that. No way. So I made the idiotic mistake and did it one-handed. The screw, as you can see in the video, fell behind this crack. So I just am going to remove this cover here. Try my best not to break anything, obviously. Okay, so I did find it. It is hiding behind the cooling fan. I think I heard it click. I'm not sure. There it is. Here is a side-by-side next to the old fuse and the brand new one. You can see there's a huge difference there. Throw this into the fuse box. Okay. So I am not sure if I've mentioned this yet, but last time I tried to connect the negative to the terminal, there was no spark whatsoever. Now, with the fuse replaced, we're gonna go ahead and see if the spark is there. There's a spark. There is a spark, you guys. The terminals were super loose last time. We're gonna make sure to tighten them right down. It's just enough to hug the battery terminal. Okay, now this ground seems intact. From here, I'm gonna go ahead and try to start the car, see if we even get a stutter. There's power to the seat. The welcome sign is illuminated. That is a really good start. We fixed the problem and we finally got power. I'm super stoked. Let's go ahead and tell my friend that I fixed her car.